Hey everyone, welcome to my Tech Tips screencast. Today I'm going to show you the really awesome video maker site called Biteable. Oops. The world's simplest video maker. So here is the homepage for Biteable. I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the site, but first I'm going to show you this fun example video. Want to make a great video? It's super simple. Add your own music and your text. So there's an example of what some people have done with Biteable. You see there are two pretty cute cartoons there, in my opinion, and Biteable can be used by teachers and students to create presentations. I was kind of unsure as to how students would use Biteable, so after some exploring the website, I found some examples. I went to Contact, and I'm going to scroll down. So once you scroll down under the Contact tab, there are a bunch of examples here for your reference. If you click on Inspiration, I found these examples to be very helpful to try to understand what Biteable can do for you and your students. You can see here are examples of kind of like how-tos for YouTube or how-to for Facebook. This intrigued me here, creative video project ideas for students. I'm going to scroll down again. Creating a book trailer is an example of how Biteable can assist students in their projects with technology. Giving a tour of a significant location. Making a video about holidays. And there are some other really interesting ideas under this inspiration piece of the website. So I'm just going to go all the way up here and move towards some of the, I'm going to go back home, different examples here of how you can use Biteable for presentations professionally and for students as well. Next, I'm going to show you some video examples. How to create a video, rather. We're going to go to Get Started. It's free. So here you can see once you have logged in and created an account, you can go to the Get Started and create a new video. Let's click Slideshow. You can watch an example here if you'd like, or you can click right here to get started. Example, and then you can change the font. I really like this font. And then you can also go to audio. There are hundreds of different songs on this audio page, so have fun with it. It really gives teachers and students alike the opportunity to expand in creativity. All right, so you understand the idea there. If we go back here, this is again your editing page. I'm going to go back for the overview purposes, and I wanted to discuss some of the ISTE standards with Biteable. I am confident that Biteable touches upon all of the standards. However, I do believe it empowers learners to find their creativity and demonstrate competency in their learning goals. And I also believe that within the ISTE standards, Biteable does create innovative designers and creative communicators. This site definitely allows students and teachers, for this matter, to express themselves creativity through a variety of purposes, tools, styles, and formats. I'm going to go into contact again. Biteable is very encouraging with how they want feedback on their site. So if you have any questions, they encourage you to provide your email. If you're a student, you can definitely ask your teacher for their email address or ask your parents for their email. If we go down here, the privacy policy is listed under support. Unfortunately, when I looked through their privacy policy, I saw nothing regarding COPPA and student privacy protection. There is information regarding personal information to any member of the group, which means we may disclose your personal information to third parties. So you have to be extra careful. Everything you put on the internet is not safe. But like I said, there is nothing specific to child protection, student protection rather. Moving along, Biteable does provide many opportunities for multimedia principles, providing text and image correspondence. Finally, I want to show you the video I created using Biteable. It's a short video just introducing myself to my students using multimedia principles such as text and images. I hope you enjoyed learning about Biteable. I believe that Biteable is probably a site used for students in grades 4th and up. I think students in any grade lower than that may struggle with this site. However, nothing is impossible. So thank you so much for watching, and continue to use technology in your classrooms, because students enjoy diverse learning practices. Thank you very much.